Alright, let's talk garnet. When you hear the name, you probably picture those deep wine-red gemstones that have captivated us for centuries. In fact, the name garnet comes from the 14th century word garnet, meaning dark red, and is likely a reference to the pomegranate, or granatum, whose vibrant seeds these gems resemble. Its history is ancient, with pharaohs of Egypt wearing garnet necklaces and Roman signet rings used to stamp wax seals on important documents. But the story gets even more colorful. Did you know garnet isn't just one stone? It's actually a complex family of silicate minerals, a diverse group with over 20 different species, each with its own unique chemistry, color, and story. Let's break down the main players. The most famous are the red garnets. Almandine is that classic, deep red you probably know, often with a hint of violet. Then there's pyrope, whose name comes from the Greek for fire-eyed, a fitting description for its brilliant, fiery red, which can sometimes lean toward purple. But the family tree branches out dramatically. Groschular garnets are chameleons. They can be found in a stunning green known as tsavorite, which rivals emerald in its beauty. Or they can appear as hessonite, with warm golden yellow to cinnamon brown tones. Spessartine is all about fiery, vivid oranges and reddish oranges, with top-quality stones earning names like mandarin or Fanta garnet for their intense saturation. Andradite is another fascinating branch. It includes the legendary demantoid, a brilliant green variety whose name means diamond-like. That's because it has a higher dispersion than actual diamond, giving it an incredible fiery sparkle. Andradite can also be yellow or even an opaque black, known as melanite. And finally, there's the rare uvarovite, the only garnet that is consistently green. It almost never forms large enough to be faceted, so you'll typically see it as a druzy, a blanket of tiny, sparkling emerald green crystals on a rock. So garnet isn't just a one-color wonder. It's a whole rainbow of possibilities. So where does this incredible diversity come from? Well, garnets are found all over the world, formed under immense heat and pressure deep within the earth. India and Sri Lanka are major historical sources, especially for almandine and hessonite. Many African nations are key producers. Tanzania and Kenya are famous for giving us the magnificent green tsavorite, while Namibia is a source for vibrant spessartine and demantoid. Russia's Ural Mountains are the classic source for that brilliant green demantoid, which was the prized gem of the Russian czars in the 19th century. And the United States has its own treasures, including the unique star garnets found in Idaho, which display a beautiful 4 or 6 rayed star under direct light. Beyond its beauty, garnet has been cherished for centuries. It was incredibly popular in Victorian-era Europe, especially the deep red Bohemian garnets. Legend held that garnets could light up the night and protect travelers from harm. It's a stone of protection, strength, and commitment. But it's not just for adornment. On the Mohs scale of hardness, garnet scores a solid 6.5 to 7.5. This toughness makes it a fantastic industrial abrasive. It's used in sandpaper and, most impressively, in water jet cutters that can slice through steel and other hard materials. And of course, if you were born in January, garnet is your official birthstone. So, the next time you see a garnet, remember, it's more than just a pretty stone. It's a window into our planet's fiery core, a thread through human history, and a testament to the surprising, colorful world hidden just beneath the surface. Now that you know the whole family, which garnet is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments.